The Turkish Navy is expected to receive the first nationally built aircraft carrier, the TCG Anadolu, which can be configured as a light aircraft carrier on 2021. Turkish news website reported that the TCG Anadolu multipurpose amphibious assault ship will be delivered to the Naval Forces Command in April 2021. With the multipurpose amphibious assault ship joining the Navy, Turkey will be one of 14 countries in the world with an aircraft carrier. The TCG Anadolu, which is being produced with a local content ratio of 68%, will be one of the world's most advanced aircraft carriers. The 32-meter-wide giant ship will be capable of moving 9,000 miles 14,500 kilometers without refueling. The production of the highly anticipated attack ship, which consists of 114 blocks, will boost the capacity of Turkish naval forces and increase the operational capability of the Turkish Navy. Officials said approximately 90% of the building blocks were at the end of production, adding that immediately after the manufacturing phase, fittings will be carried out. The construction works began on April 30, 2016 at the shipyard of Sedef Shipbuilding Inc. in Istanbul, with the keel being laid February 7, 2018. The TCG Anadolu multipurpose amphibious assault ship is based on the Spanish LHD-1 Carlos I and Australian Canberra-class landing helicopter docks, and can be configured as a light aircraft carrier. It will be capable of operating up to 12 F-35B stealth multi-role combat aircraft, and 12 helicopters in light aircraft carrier configuration. The new multipurpose amphibious assault ship has a 5,440 meters raised to the power of 2 flight deck and a 990 meters raised to the power of 2 aviation hangar, which can accommodate either 12 medium-size helicopters or 8 CH-47F Chinook heavy-lift helicopters. Additionally, the ship will have a 1,880 meters raised to the power of 2 light cargo garage for 2 containers and 27 amphibious assault vehicles AAV, a 1,165 meters raised to the power of 2 dock which can host 4 landing craft mechanized LCM or 2 landing craft air cushion LCAC, or 2 landing craft vehicle personnel LCVP. And a 1,410 meters raised to the power of 2 barrage for heavy loads, which can host 29 main battle tanks MBT. The ship's crew will consist of 261 personnel, 30 officers, 49 costs, 59 leading seamen and 123 ratings. With a displacement of 28,000 tons at full load and a length of 225 meters, the ship will be capable of reaching speeds of up to 21 knots.